In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach Google Drive files to cards in Trello. This can be incredibly useful for organizing your digital workspace and ensuring that all your important documents are easily accessible right from your Trello boards. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your Trello board. Make sure you're logged into your Trello account and then head to the board where you want to attach your Google Drive files. It's important to have a clear idea of which board and which specific card will need these attachments, so you have everything in place before getting started. Once you're on your board, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout and structure, which can vary depending on how many lists and cards you have. Next, we'll move on to selecting the card to which you want to attach your files. Click on the specific card you are interested in working with. This will open up a detailed view of the card where you can see any descriptions, comments, checklists, and importantly, the options for adding new features. At this point, if you haven't already, consider adding any necessary descriptions or comments to fully utilize your card's functionality. Now, we're going to tap into the Power-Ups feature. Power-Ups are additional features that enhance the functionality of your Trello board. Look for the Power-Ups button inside the card's details. It's usually located along the side menu or the top section, depending on your board's configuration. Clicking on it will bring up a list of available Power-Ups. Some users might not have used Power-Ups before, so this is a great time to explore how these features can help integrate with other tools you use. After opening the Power-Ups, search for the Google Drive integration. If it's not already set up, you might need to enable it first from the Power-Ups menu. This is as simple as finding Google Drive in the list and following the prompts to enable it. Once it is active, click on it, and you'll see the option to attach files. It may ask you to authenticate by logging into your Google account if you haven't already done so in this session. This is completely normal and ensures secure access to your files. Finally, after clicking on Attach Files, a window will allow you to select documents directly from your Google Drive. You can search for files, navigate through your folders, and easily choose what you need. Once selected, the files will be attached to your Trello card, appearing as a neat link that you or any board member can click to access the document directly. And that's it! You've now successfully attached Google Drive files to your Trello card, making it a breeze to share critical documents with your team directly from your project management space. Feel free to explore other integrations available through Trello's Power-Ups to further enhance your productivity and workflow. I hope this guide has been helpful, and happy organizing.